Yo, yo, yo. Today is May 14th, Sunday, May 14th, 2023. It's about 10:30, I think. But anyway, though, I got this 2004, 2005. This is Porsche Cayenne. So I'm doing a field pump in the back. You gotta pop the seats up. That's how the seats pop up. That's how I'm doing it. I just unbolted that one bracket over there, move it out the way. This one is supporting the seat, you know. So I just unbolting three other bolts there. Loosen that one up so I can raise it up, just take the plate out. I ain't trying to take the whole thing out because then the seat would be wobbly. But anyway, though, this is how you get to the two pumps in the back. One over there, one there. That should have that's the fuel filter, the black piece on top. That's the fuel filter built on the fuel pump unit. But this is how you change it. So I didn't film how you should pop the seats up. That's simple. You pull a little belt in front, seats pull out, swing up like that. Take you to unbolt the three bolts here. Four over there, three over there, I mean. So three there and three here. Four here. So it's four on here, three over there. Then I just twist it right there like that. It's not really all the way out. I moved it over. That right there, once I unbolt all three, leaving that one end in the back here, I just leave that like that. Reach under there with a 10mm wrench, unloosen that 10mm nut. Boom. That's how I'm gonna do it. But anyway, though, let me get back to work. Just showing you that I'm doing that. So I'm gonna do that fuel pump unit over there first. Then I'm gonna come over here and do that one. All right. Put some gloves on. The thing might be out of gas for all I know, or maybe the center unit's not responding, which telling them the fuel pump is bad, but I don't know that. And I feel like if I got to take that loose to figure all that out, I might well put the new stuff in. Plus, it's a 2004. That's what it say on the manufacturing tag on the door. So, this thing pretty, made the fuel pump went bad. But that's what it seemed like. It's out of gas. Because it started up and drive. Then, like it ain't getting gas, but it ain't got gas. Shit, I might well put the pump in it anyway. You know what I'm saying? Peace out.